and it's related to the PLC Viewer OMI app. It's one of the OMI apps, and I thought it's worth mentioning by itself in a slide, basically. There is a video made by Chris Torres that I'm going to play now, and where he talks into a little bit of more details about the PLC viewer. But before we play the video, just to give you an overview, the AVEVA PLC Viewer OMI app is an out-of-the-box application by AVEVA that can be embedded in an OMI screen. The PLC Viewer app shows a current assets PLC control logic with real-time logic animation. It's like having your PLC programming software visualized, basically. It's uploaded from the controller, and if there is any change in your controller program, you need to re-upload that config file to your PLC Viewer application. As you can see here in the screen, this left side is one of the screens from our OMI application, and this right side here, this is the right pane. Is where we have the PLC viewer. This displays a program from your PLC, basically. I'll play the video, and it will talk also about what PLC programming software is the PLC Viewer app compatible with.
Hello everyone, my name is Chris Torres. Today we're going to take a quick look at AVEVA's PLCLogix Viewer app for OMI and illustrate how this tool empowers operational staff to reduce the duration of downtime events, whether planned or unplanned, a tool only found with AVEVA OMI. With the use of OMI apps, users can now pull up Excel spreadsheets, PDF documents, interactive maps, CCTV, and yes, PLCLogix, all within the HMI without scripting. AVEVA's PLCLogix Viewer provides an interface for viewing real-time PLC logic in read-only and fully searchable with asset-to-tag mapping. Initially only available with RSLogix series PLCs, version 2020 R2 now extends this capability to Unity Pro and EcoStruxure controllers. In development, you can use drag-and-drop configuration with parameter selection. Then in runtime, pull up an instance of the PLC logic executing in real time to troubleshoot downtime events, interlocking logic, or self-training. To learn more, please see us at aveva.com or reach out to schedule an appointment with any of our representatives. Thanks for joining today's quick video, and we'll see you next time.
All right, so as mentioned in the video, it is compatible with RSLogix and Unity Pro, which is known as the EcoStruxure Control Expert.